Nice to be back at the show. We specialise in used and new equipment. It's been great, it's been really busy. We sold 3 of the used machines.
It's been fantastic. We specialise in software for manufacturing companies, so machine monitoring, hardware and software.
At the Southern Show, we're promoting our new Riot Sensor to get more information from your machines. We're trialling it with a couple of companies at the show.
We're a manufacturer of mass finishing machines. It's been really good. It's our first show since COVID. We weren't quite sure what to expect, but there's been plenty of people coming by and plenty of good exhibitors here.
We are a steel manufacturer of workshop storage equipment. We've got our kit up for competition. You can win the stand kit. It's been good. There's been a steady flow of people, a lot of interaction.
So we specialise in all aspects of metrology, lots of good contacts across a broad area, right from medical to the plastics people to the electronics, automotive and aerospace as well.
We provide equipment for the professional electronics assembly industry. It's been brilliant. We've not stopped and the feedback that we've had from customers has been excellent.
We think yes, it was successful, lots of inquiries, and we think we want to come next year as well.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. It's been going really well, it's been busy.
It's nice for us to come down and see the companies from the local area, so definitely be here again.
Absolutely.
Yes, 100% we'll be back.
Absolutely, it's great to meet new people.
Yes, we've booked next year, so we'll be back again.